Do you want to change your attitude towards menstrual cycle? Let us change it through the 4A method. Hello everyone, and I am Dr. Priya. Welcome to my channel where we are going to learn more about our periods. Now I am sure you must have watched the previous video wherein we have discussed about the 3 attitudes on periods. What is your attitude? Have you thought about it? Is it period is problem, period meaning restrictions, or period means something impure? Now in this video, let us change this attitude. What is the dictionary meaning of attitude? Let me tell you this. Attitude is a perspective. It is a frame of mind. It is your approach, and very important, it is a sentiment attached to that particular problem or situation. For example, suppose you are in college and you have been told by your seniors that a particular topic is very difficult. You have that emotion or the sentiment attached to that particular topic that, oh my god, this is a difficult topic. So you have developed the phobia for that topic. Similarly, for menstrual cycle, because of the previous traditions, customs, beliefs that are coming from so many generations, we have developed a particular attitude. You will change an attitude towards something only if first A, that is, you accept it. When will you accept something? Only when your emotion changes through your beliefs, through your knowledge about that topic. Through different videos, we are going to educate ourselves to change our perspective towards looking at the menstrual cycle. How is it told to us? I'll give you an example. Suppose I am going to tell it to my daughter or my student. I would say something like this. Listen dear, now that you are in that particular age group, anytime these coming few days, you may have or you may feel that there is blood coming out from where you pass urine, or your panties may get stained with blood spots. Don't get afraid. You do come to me and I'll tell you what to do. It is just normal. This was the way that we were telling at present. It is the way that we are telling our younger generations. It is correct, but it is not the right way to tell to the younger generations or the girls who are just about to have their menarche. So how to tell it? How to change it? You can change the way of telling it only when you have the adequate knowledge about it. You can tell it in a different way, and this we will see in the next video, which will help you to accept the periods. Now the second A that I am going to tell you to change this attitude. The second A is you have to become aware of the situation. As I told you, you have been told that a particular topic is very difficult. You have your emotions attached to that topic and are having a phobia about that topic. Now that you have educated yourself, now that you have attended a class on that topic, or you have gone to the internet and searched on that topic, you have become aware about that topic. Now you feel that, okay, it is difficult, but it is not impossible. So, only when you become aware. Similarly, for the menstrual periods, if you are aware of what is the problem, what is the solution, what exact precaution should I take, then only you are becoming aware of the topic. Now it has been said and research has shown that there are so many women in our country who are not even aware of menstrual products. They do not have access to these products. Only 35% women and girls are using sanitary pads. What about the remaining? Don't they have the right to access these products? So, they are not aware of it. Until and unless we are aware of a topic, our attitude towards that topic is not going to change. Now, this is the second. Accept and then become aware. Now, the third A is to adapt. How will you adapt to a particular situation, to a particular topic? Now in this case, the menstrual periods. Let me give an example of the one which I gave previously. Now you know that a topic is difficult, but after getting the knowledge about it, you have accepted the topic. After you going through the internet or attending a class, you have become aware of how much efforts you need to prepare for the topic. Now you are going to adapt. You are going to act on it. You will make notes. You will prepare your own answers, and in this way, slowly you will adapt to that particular topic or the subject. Similarly, for the periods, now that you have accepted it, that it is a perfectly normal phenomenon, you have become aware of what are the products available, how am I supposed to use them. Now, one by one, you will take a step towards adapting yourself to this topic, that is menstrual cycle or the monthly periods. So, when you are slowly taking a step to adapting yourself to this, your frame of mind will slowly change. Your perspective, your approach towards it is going to change. And that is what we want to achieve with the fourth A, that is your attitude. Change in the attitude towards the periods. So, what we saw is for any topic. Now, this can be applicable to any situation or any problem in your life. But as of now, we will focus only on the periods. So, how to change your attitude towards period? I am sure after watching my previous video, you have had a particular idea in your mind what is your own perspective or attitude towards periods. Now, after thinking in this 4A fashion, how am I going to accept it? How am I going to become aware of it? How will I adapt to it? And then you can think of changing your attitude towards periods. If you like this video, if you are becoming aware of this topic, do comment in the comment box. I would like to hear from you. What is your attitude and what are those tiny little steps that you are going to take to change this attitude? If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Let us meet in the next video with new learnings. Until then, bye-bye.